Hello, today I am going to show you how to fix camera on laptop Windows 11. So let's start the main video. First, open Settings app on your laptop and click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Camera, make sure your camera access is enabled. If not, click on it. Now enable Let Apps access your camera by clicking on it. Now enable Camera app by clicking on it. Now open Device Manager app and find Cameras. Then click on Cameras. Now right-click on your camera driver. Now click on Uninstall Device. Then click on Uninstall. After uninstalling Camera, click on Action at the top of Device Manager app. Now click on Scan for hardware changes. Here you can see the camera driver has installed on your laptop. Now you can use the camera. If your laptop camera isn't working on Windows 11, it's usually caused by disabled permissions, outdated drivers, or privacy settings blocking access. By checking camera access, updating drivers, and running basic system troubleshooting, most camera issues can be fixed quickly without needing professional repair. And that's it. Thanks for watching.